Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to delete or remove your credit card from Amazon. So first thing that you do here is you just have to open any of your web browser, and then using the search bar at the top, you just have to search for amazon.com and you will be redirected to this website. Now, right here, just have to log in or sign up for an account. And of course, if you already have an account, you just have to click on logged in and then click on this account and list option at the top of your screen. And then you have here now these options. So you have your orders, login and security, your address, Prime, and of course your payments. So here you can view all of your transactions, you can manage your payment methods and settings. So click on this option. Now, right here, you have your credit card or the debit card. So all you have to do is to click on the edit option. Once you've clicked on it, you have this remove from wallet option. So just simply click on this one. And then you just have to click on remove. And that specific card will now be deleted from Amazon. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.